Welcome to part 2 of Taskade's onboarding video tutorial series, covering project views. Taskade has 5 different project views that allow you to instantly transform your project into a different view and work the way you want. You can toggle between different views at the top right-hand corner of your project. List View lets you work from top to bottom, just like you would with any other list. Board View lets you work horizontally, like a Kanban board. Action View lets you work in a table format. Mindmap View lets you work in a horizontal tree-structured manner and map out what you have in mind. And last but not least, Org Chart View lets you map out organizational structures easily and visually. Each of the 5 views offers a different way of editing, organizing, and visualizing the same material. You can also set a default view for any project so team members will open into the selected view by default. This wraps up part 2 of our onboarding video tutorial series. In our next video, we'll be covering real-time and asynchronous collaboration in Taskade.